haven't done one of these in a very long time. Over a year, I think, to be exact. So I thought, why not spin the wheel and see what nails we're gonna end up with today. I'm not joking, no my guys, them know me. So, hey guys, I am going to spin the wheel, and the first thing I am going to spin the wheel for is nail ideas. So let's see what nail idea we have. Full bling, okay. So a very strange way to start this off, but anyway, so here I have a number of colors before and after. So basically for before and after, it would be if the nail ideas wheel landed on recreation, and then I see which recreation of my old videos I'm gonna do, and then if it lands on, like, you know, a haul, then before and after would be which nail set am I doing, before the haul or after the haul. So that's that. So now I think what I can do is spin for the nail shape to see what nail shape I am going to go for, and I'm hoping I get a stiletto. Far from stiletto, squoval. Are you serious? Because I had an idea in my head of stiletto full bling nails. So okay, let's see what size we can go for the full bling squoval nails. Like at this point I'm just like very random and I'm not liking it. Long squoval full bling nails. I'm not even gonna choose the colors because I have limited bling, so that's all we're gonna go with for now. So these are the nail tips that I have that are all long and they're all curved. So I just thought these are the ones that are already like squoval shaped. So I have those ones and I have these white ones. These ones don't have numbers on them, so yeah, different sizes, but I don't have numbers for them. I have these orange ones, and these are all the nail tips that I hardly use. So I thought, let me use these, and I'm definitely going to use these red ones because I want my nails to be red bottoms. So they're already squoval, so I just think I'm gonna, you know, just fix the shape a little bit, but nothing much to the shape. And this is how the nails are looking on my fingertips. So yeah, basically these are already long and they're already squoval, like I said, so I don't have to do much except maybe just fixing up the little bit of the squoval area. But this is what I'm gonna go with. I am gonna be using this polygel, clear polygel, and I'm gonna be using the slip solution. I've had problems with the slip solution because it leaves like white layers on my nails, but because we are gonna be covering the nails, I'm not worrying with the white tinning of the you know, the polygel. I haven't used polygel in a long time, you guys. I used to love polygel so much, but I fell in love with acrylic, so that's why. And I feel like I should have started with base coat, but already I have my polygel on my nails, so it's fine. I am going to use base coat for the rest of my nails. But so far, I'm liking the fact that there isn't much whitening on the nails. I don't know if it's because it's hot or I didn't use the slip solution well back then, but I'm liking the fact that it isn't leaving much white streaking. There is a little bit, but it's not as bad as it used to be back there. So I'm quite impressed. But yeah, I am going to apply the acrylic the polygel onto the rest of my nails. But for the rest of my nails, I am going to use base coat because I forgot to do that on my thumb. Yeah, I thought about it while the polygel was already on my fingernail, and I was like, I don't feel like removing this. So let's just go ahead and apply the base gel onto the rest of my nails and then do the same thing, apply the polygel onto the rest of my nails. So many reasons where I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See I give me good things you do, they make me know. Oh no, this time So this is how the nails are looking with the polygel applied onto all my nails, and like you can see, not much white streaking just on that finger and on my thumb, but generally it's not as bad as back then. I don't know, like I said, if it's because of the hot weather or I was using it wrong back then, but I'm happy about that. So I am gonna wipe off the tacky layer of the polygel, because I remember like how polygel can gunk up your file if you file it without wiping the, you know, the sticky layer of the polygel. So I'm just gonna wipe off the sticky layer so that I can file my nails. I do feel like there's not much filing that I need to do because they're already squoval and they're already long. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's even on the top so that I can apply or put on my rhinestones onto my nails. But in general, not much filing is needed. And I actually forgot how smooth polygel and builder gel are to file, because just filing this polygel, I'm just like, wow, this is so easy. It feels like I'm using a very, very light hand, very, very light hand. So these are the rhinestones that I feel I want to use. I have this red one which I want to use, the black one. I am looking into using 5 colors, like different colors onto all my nails. And for this one, I'm thinking of using the red and the blacks, because I don't have small red and black rhinestones. And this one is it has like a blue shift a little bit, and then we have like a green, and then we have a gold. Those are 5 different colors. And then I have these big rhinestone boxes. These ones are more shiny, and then the bottom box is more like kawaii, you know, fun colors. But I feel like I want to use both, just for the fun of it, because why not, you know. But I was gravitating towards the shiny box. So what I am going to do is I'm going to apply this glue gel onto the whole nail, and then I'm just going to spread the glue gel, and then I'm going to put on the rhinestones onto all my nails.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like.
So for the black gems, I just thought I didn't like the red background, so I ended up just like, you know, painting my fingernail black, and I thought, let me just paint the rest of the fingers the base color of the rhinestone that I want to use, the rhinestone color that I want to use. So that's exactly what I did, so that the red underneath doesn't show. As much as I want all my nails to have like a red bottom, I don't want the red to show because it was really contrasting with the black. So I just thought, okay, let me just have all my other nails, you know, with the base color of the rhinestones that I am going to use.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it.
how all my nails are looking. This is definitely something I would not go for, something I would do from the top of my head, but I like that the wheel came up with this idea, and as you can see, all of them are red bottoms. I am liking how they look for a set that was just something that I would not go for. And actually kind of feels weird that I don't have to top coat my nails, but what I do have to do is wipe off the gems with a lint-free wipe, so that they shine really well. They shine bright like a diamond. I'm just removing the wax from the gems. But yeah, it kind of feels weird that I'm done with the nail set and I don't have to top coat anything. So yeah, let me just wipe off all the wax and all of that from the nails, and then go on and put on cuticle oil onto my cuticle areas. Right, my cuticle don't look as crusty as they usually do. Maybe it's because this nail set was like a simple one and I didn't have to use much like acrylic or anything, and they're not as sticky. I mean, they were a bit sticky because of the rhinestone gel, but you know, it is what it is. So this is the nail set. Please guys, let me know how I could have gone about making sure that this nail set was good enough for what the wheel came up with. If you have any constructive criticism, please leave the comments in the comment section down below. If you're still watching this far, please leave a car emoji in the comment section to let me know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.